really free your mind at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Fact.
It's like mental slavery, bro. I never really sat on this thought process for as long as we're doing it right now. But like, yo, that's mental slavery. You don't have the capacity to think any further when you have to think about food, so I'm asleep.
I'm gonna pay my rent, mortgage. Yeah.
You don't have any capacity to even have a business idea, right?
Yeah.
Like, and I'll never forget, like February of 2018 was the first day that I replaced my work income with my business income, right? That was one of the freest days I've ever had in my entire life. Like, I knew that I could support myself as an adult doing what I wanted to do, right? And now to this day, like, the reason we're able to come up with new ideas and like the Melanin, Melanin Money, the Millionaire Millionaire Club, and our other business ideas, because we have an opportunity to sit back and think, right? The most profitable activity you'll ever do is to sit and think.
That's a fact.
Right? But you can't do that if you don't have free time, to like do stuff to pay your bills. So like, again, I never really harped on this thought so much, but like, it's honestly